This is not what you're going to see me building today. Okay, let me explain. I built this coffee table a few months back before I was making any videos. And I did it really just to get an idea out of my head. I had an idea what I wanted to see, how I wanted to accomplish this floating top look. And this was really just an experiment to see if I could get it done. Well, I did. I like it. It's been in my living room ever since. Today, what I'm going to be building is an end table to match this. I'm also going to be building the end table the same way. I don't have any plans. I have an idea in my head. I'm going to sketch it out on paper a little bit, but there's really not a whole lot to it. The end tables are going to be the same way. They're kind of simple in design, where it's going to be legs and shelves and stretchers, but those stretchers are all like this one, going to be shaped. So hopefully I'll have a nice matching set when I'm done. I'm going to get started. All right, so I'm going to start this off cutting the joinery for the stretchers. These are going to be a half lap joint, done at 90 degrees to each other, except this isn't the final shape and size of these. There's going to be a little bit of a lift on there, so it's actually going to come up an inch across the middle and then dip down an inch on the outsides. So it gets a little bit tricky, not too much, but a little bit tricky in that when you put these together with this inch missing across the bottom, the half lap joint is actually going to be up in the top 2 inches of this board. So on one piece, not a big deal. It'll just be cut on the top. It's on the other piece that it makes a difference, because that half lap is going to be in what is now the middle of the board. So I'm going to have to cut all the way through it. I can't cut the bottom out of this first, because then I'm going to have an uneven surface and I won't have a straight board when I go to actually cut the joinery. So I'm leaving it as a straight cut board right now until I can get the joinery cut. It just means that I need to make 2 different height cuts on these 2 pieces. thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm pretty happy with how things turned out. I'm pretty happy with the build and the design of the end table. I originally had something just a little bit different in mind. In fact, I was thinking about putting a shelf down here, but when I started mocking it up and playing around with it, I didn't like how it came out. This way, I like it. It's clean, it's simple. These bottom stretchers mirror the top, even though there's no shelf floating off them. But overall, I'm really pleased with how it came out, and I'm really pleased with how the set looks together. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.